Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our episode number 20, and it will be another requirement analysis video for another university in the winter semester. And I have chosen engineering and hydro environment in University of Siegen. That's the next college that I'm going to do today as a DAD website requirement analysis in the episode number 20. When that episode number 20 requirement analysis is done, and we will also make, if the application is open, then we will also make a application video so that you guys can also apply for University of Siegen. For that, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about colleges, where we find all colleges that are there in Germany for respective courses, say example mechanical, electrical, computer science, civil, etc., depending upon your interest. Then we will also do the requirement analysis of that particular college in that website. Then we get to know our requirements and course details. Then in the requirements we just go through what are the admission requirements, in that what are the documents that you need to submit, language criteria and other things. After having all this information, we also check for the application deadline. In the application deadline, we also note down when to apply and where to apply. Then if the application deadline is in the period when we are doing the video, then we will also do the step-by-step procedure on how to apply for that particular course, and we will also show you how to apply. So these are the things that we usually cover in our YouTube channel. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, it would be episode number 20, where I will be talking about engineering of hydro environment extremes, HDE, in University of Siegen. Whenever we do the requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course detail, consent findings, and requirements and registration. In the overview, you can just see a degree is Master of Science and course location is in Siegen, teaching language is English, and all courses are taught in English, so you don't need to worry about German requirement at first, and also you don't need to worry about writing your thesis in German or doing any other 5-10 credits in German. Okay, but the only thing is, by looking at this, don't think like, okay, I don't need any German, so I can easily pass and finish this degree. Yes, you can easily pass and finish the degree because it is in English. Your life will be university, it will be easy, but when you find the job, it will be difficult if you don't have German. So I suggest you guys to please learn German, then it will be very good for finding a job in Germany. Then full-time, part-time, full-time it is. Then program duration is 4 semester. Beginning of semester is only in winter semester. There is no summer semester possible, and the application deadline is 30th April. So if it is 30th April, then we are already inside the application deadline. Then we can apply, and you know what will be our next 2 videos. I will show you how to apply for this particular University of Siegen in the application procedure. Then tuition fees is none because it's free. Combined degree program not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. If you want to get to know the description of content, here it is. But we will just check at the course detail if they have all credits noted down. The PDF is not working. That's the reason we just read it here. For the successful completion of master degree, you need to have a 120 credit points. So the program usually starts from winter semester. So the standard period of study is 4 semester, where you will usually take 2 semester. But you can also take 1 or 2 semester more, or you can also take a Urlaub semester and do internship for like 6 months. Then you can also finish after 2.5 years, because that is Urlaub semester, where you have taken holiday semester, which doesn't consider to be as a regular semester. Then the study program comprises of preparatory module areas, the adaptation block adapted to students from the previous education, 6 credit points. So this will be like, which will contain all other courses that are there in previously, and adaptation block, so it will fit you in the proper master degree course. Then a compulsory area of 6 module, which will be 36 credit points, where you will have very less choice, or you will have around 8 subjects and you have to do 6 modules. Okay, like that, because these are compulsory modules, and in some cases you will have only 6 subjects. You have to finish all this because they are compulsory. Then a compulsory elective credit points of 48 credit points. So here you will have 48 credit points. Here you will have a pool, or you will have a hell lot of courses that you can select from for electives. Here also, when you're choose around 2 or 3 in your domain itself, your core domain, and other things you can just choose based on your interest of which area also you might prefer when you're applying for your thesis full-time jobs. If you want to focus on this topic also, then you can choose from that particular subjects. Then if you will cover 48 credit points. If you include everything, then you would have covered 90 credit points in 3 semester. Now, before starting your thesis, you can take a Urlaub semester and do internship by voluntarily, or voluntary internship, or if you want to finish it, then you can also do the thesis and finish it. After successfully defending your master thesis, you will also get a diploma supplement awarded at the end. This is as usual straightforward. Then international language training provided, which is German, from the college itself. So that is very well or very good. If you have not done anything in India, then you can do in 4 semester A1 and E2, because in Germany you will have A1.1 and A1.2. That's the reason I always tell you guys to study in India at least A1 or A2, because in India when you do, you don't have this 0.1 modules, you can directly go and do complete A1, because there you can finish it. But here in Germany there is a point based or point learning system where you will do A1.1 and A1.2, which will take like lengthier time. So usually you can plan it. If you do there A1 and here in college you can finish up to B1. So that's the reason, plan accordingly. I suggest you everyone to finish until at least B1, so that it will be very helpful or come in handy for your full-time jobs. Then course specific integrated German language course is not possible. English language course is also not possible. Then cost and fundings, there is no tuition fees, but there will be for sure semester contribution per semester that you need to pay, which will be 320 euros. In this 320 euros, your Deutschland ticket will be also included. With this Deutschland ticket, you can travel entire Germany without any other tickets, but only in regional bands as of now. But once the Deutschland ticket is taken over, then in this particular Siegen area or this state, you will get your state ticket or city ticket. In this, your student contribution or semester contribution that will be. Living expenses are estimated up to 800 to 950 euros in the Siegen that they have planned, but usually it depends on person to person. People can live above it, below it, it's up to their spendings. But here, in order to make sure you are in the certain limit, usually the first year you don't need to worry, because in the first year you will be blocking anyway your 12 months of money, and that money will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month. After first year, you need to either show what are you doing or what are you working, and do you have any part-time jobs, so that you can fulfill your needs. If you don't have, then they will ask again to show or blocked account, so that then you will be covered for next year of studies. But in some cases also, when you have this, then people will also give direct 2 years. Those are also cases, but it is a file to file or case to case figuring. Case to case it differs. But I suggest you guys to at least, anyway, first year it will be covered by your blocked account. You will have one year to find any of the part-time jobs. You can usually get technical or not technical at least. Then you can submit, or you can do part-time to earn some money. Then funding opportunity within the university, yes, there is, and you will also have this Deutschland in this particular college, so you don't need to worry. Then the main thing, the requirements and registration. In order to get into this particular course, what are the things that you need to have? You need to have a bachelor of degree in civil engineering dual degree, mechanical engineering or computer science, University of Siegen, etc. So usually it is, they're saying computer science, but I don't fit in computer science here, because as the name suggests, it is engineering in hydro environment extremes. I don't think a computer science graduate can fit in here. Usually it will fall under mechanical or civil guys. So people who have done this particular course or anything related course, then they can apply. And course study at least of 3 years duration, they need to have a bachelor degree, which will be at least 6 semester or 8 semester. These colleges are usually very good for the people who are already studying bachelor and they want to apply masters, or as soon as they finish bachelor they want to start masters. Then these kind of colleges are very good, because they are accepting 6 year degree or 6 semester degree, and we are anyway doing 8 semester degree. So you can start applying in 7th semester, where you are eligible for these particular courses. Then you will get admission once you are in 8th semester itself. That's the same thing in University of Stuttgart or other colleges who they agree also 3-year degree. Okay. Then you need to have mechanical, civil, computer science, environmental, geology, including engineering, hydrogeology, etc. So these are the courses, and these are the minimum number of years degree that you need to have. Then another comparable course, at least 3 years in duration of completed bachelor degree or completed final examination at the state recognized university within outside the area of application of German constitution. So this will be anyway proved, and how it is state recognized or country recognized, everything is now done it, and how they are proving it by your APS certificate. So that APS certificate will prove that it is a state recognized, central recognized, or it is at the German level H plus, H minus, H minus, etc, etc. Then you need to have a completed degree or grade of 2.7 at least. Okay. Then you need to have a proof of English language certificate of B2. B2 will start from 6.5. Usually we will take as a general 6.5 is the safest IELTS score to get in Germany, so that you will be eligible for 80 to 90% of all colleges. Then application deadline is 30th April, and we apply in their application portal. So this we will use it, and in the next upcoming 2 videos I will show you how to apply for this particular course. And people, you can also look at it and apply step by step, because you have ample amount of time until April 30th. Then student can easily find a part-time job after getting a visa. You will come here and you can do a city registration. After doing city registration, you will get your tax ID and social security ID. After getting these two numbers, you are eligible to work in Germany for 280 half days or 140 full days. Either you can work as non-technical jobs in any of the restaurants, lager shops, etc., or if you get any technical jobs like Hiwi, work student, research assistant, etc., then you can also do that. Then accommodation, as soon as you get the admission, everybody suggests in every college to apply for student in work, because in student in work it will be college dormitories where you will get cheaper accommodation. If you fail to apply early, then you will have to go outside where it will be usually comparatively more. So that's the reason it will be early application and search in advance is very good. So how you can do the early application? You need to have or admission letter. So as soon as you get an admission letter, start with accommodation at first. Then career registration service will be always there, where you will have international Zentrum. They will take care of your city registration forms or application for resident permits, etc. They will help you, guide you, and they will also give you so many insights about the fairs happening, what are the technical qualities that you need to improve in order to stay in Germany, etc. And see you in next video, where I talk about the application video of this particular course and show you step-by-step procedure. Until then, take care. Bye bye.